could you stop putting your feet close to me?
Papi, I went Ghana, but snake in the monkey shadow.
Hey! Stop!
You just make me afraid.
I'm trying not to hit you, I swear. I'm making a conscious effort.
Just rub me. That is what I am talking about, Papi. The way you speak English, you make me wet.
Yeah.
I try to speak English like you. Fucking shit, Papi. I love you.
No. Will you stop that? Stop, please. I just got beg you. I just got beg. I'm not speaking. I know they speak English and that thing.
Laggy. Papi, laggy. How look at you? Nobody found you. Ruku. Now because of this mommy water hair. And this class, you know, avawu men for this Lagos. So you think say my papi will fall for prostitutes like you? Like a chibi. Call me a prostitute once, I will not let you call me that again. What kind of disrespect is this, for God's sake? Out of here. Yes. I'm athleting me here, mommy.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Hey, is my mom around?
Yes, but mommy is around. She's been around since morning. She's even. Hey, mommy is.
You look amazing, by the way. No, of course I miss your food. What was I supposed to make? She's whining.
I wasn't expecting you till next week.
Yeah, no, I wanted to surprise you. I told you next week, so I could.
Wow!
Surprise!
This is really a pleasant surprise. You know what? Mother's instinct never lies. See ya. You're welcome, my son. Your favorite soup is on fire.
Oh wow! Thank you. I honestly did miss your cooking. Yeah, I really did.
My organizer, say you bring America bread for me. That one way Donald Trump the chop. Now that one be correct bread now.
Don't worry, I got you. I'll give you enough money to buy bread.
Hey,
Alright, so help me get the other stuff from the cab.
Okay. Welcome, my Oga.
You look different. It's so delicious. Honestly, I have no idea what you put inside this food.
It's love.
It's so it's so good to have stomach cat backwards. So it's love that's the secret ingredient, huh?
See, Eric, don't worry, when Amaka comes, she will be preparing delicious meals for you, like this.
Who's Amaka?
Ha! Have you forgotten Amaka again? You remember now that my friend's daughter in the village?
Oh, you're getting somebody from the village to come help you house and house, be a housekeeper, kind of
housekeeper. I invite her to be your wife. Ha! I invited her to be your wife. Sorry. Take water. Oh, sorry. Why?
Why would you do something like that? Why would you do that?
What do you mean why? You told me that you're ready to get married now, didn't you?
Yeah, but I have a girlfriend. All I have to do is propose to her and then get married to her. Okay? I don't need somebody that you picked for me. I have one already.
Who?
Shirley. Her name is Shirley and she's a really nice person, honestly.
What kind of name is that? Is it Pomade? I know Shirley of Pomade.
She's my girlfriend, and I love her very much, and she loves me very much as well. Okay, you should be happy for us.
She's your girlfriend?
Yes.
You love her so much?
I do.
She loves you so much?
I swear.
Richard, I hope it's not one of these Lagos girls that don't know their left and their right in marriage. I hope. Oh.
Mom, Shirley is different. Okay? Believe me, she's different. She's not like them. She's a one of one.
But, what will happen to Amaka now? I've already sent money for her to come to the city.
Tell her not to bother. She shouldn't stress herself.
See, Richard, Amaka is a very well brought up girl. Very innocent. 100% already made wife material. Is that what you want to miss?
She can go be wife material for another man. I found mine. Cheers.
This is your chalet pomade. Can she prepare this delicious meal? This one you're eating now. Then, mommy, what did you put inside? Mama, it's so sweet. It's so nice.
First
Can
of
she
all,
prepare it?
her name is not Shirley Pomade. Her name is Shirley. She's a great lady. Okay, she can cook as well. Alright, why are you so happy? I mean, I'm happy you're happy, but I'm curious to know why you're so happy.
Amaka is on her way.
Mom, I don't need you to find a wife for me, okay? I already found one. All I have to do is propose.
Because I'm so sure, Richard. I am so sure looking at you. You don't know the difference between ordinary fabric and wife material. You see all these Lagos girls? All these city girls, they are all ordinary fabric. But you see my Amaka. Amaka is wife material. 1,000 yards, so.
Mom, my girl, Shirley, she's wife material. My wife material, okay? I'm tired of talking about Amaka. Every time it's Amaka, like, I'm sick of having this conversation. Please,
You see this
okay?
room? You see how cold this your room is? As cold as Canada. Trust me. Wait until Amaka comes. She will make this room so warm.
Okay,
So
why
warm
are you
you like
connecting
her.
everything to her? Like, stop
Because
connecting
she's
everything
a
to her.
good girl, Richard. She's a good girl. You will like her. Trust me. Trust your mother now, For once.
Mom, I have somebody I love already. Why would I leave somebody I love for somebody I might like? And I'm pretty sure I won't like her. Okay? It doesn't make any sense now.
Who told you?
Mom.
Who told you? You will like her.
Oh.
Who wouldn't like Amaka? You will like
Okay.
Amaka. Trust
Right.
me. When she comes, when you meet her, you will like her. And you'll start singing, Hallelujah, 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 Hallelujah.
Okay, Mom, I'm going to head out, okay? You can stay and practice your singing, but I'm heading out. So,
See, please, when you get to that supermarket, see that supermarket down there. I know you still remember. Just check if you see bonga fish.
Bonga fish in the supermarket?
Yes, just check. They will have. See, I forgot to buy at the market yesterday.
No,
So when you see buy, I want to use it to prepare special meal for you and Amaka. Special meal. Nka poraka we see. Bye yo, take care of yourself. Don't forget, okay? Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
You know, I wasn't expecting you until next week.
Well, I wanted to surprise you, you know?
Well, you did.
I missed you so much, honestly. Like, I really did.
I missed you so much too. It's been too long.
I know it's been way too long. That's why next time, I'm not going back alone.
Okay. Okay. What does that mean?
Life is meaningless without you, baby. Would you please make mine meaningful by being my wife?
Yes! Yes! Yes, should I take it out myself?
No, don't worry, I got it.
Maybe you didn't tell me to make new nails.
Your nails are perfect, baby. Perfect.
Oh my god! Oh
I'm glad you like it. Baby, you know what? We should celebrate.
Yes, we
I think we should. You know, go get ready. We'll go pop a lot of bottles tonight. Women are money. You didn't even say, babe, don't pop the bottles. Save your money.
Excuse you. Please let me chop your money.
Alright, go get ready. Go get ready.
Alright, baby.
Oh my god. That ring is a big bling. I spent a lot of money on it, baby.
Yeah.
Because you're worth it, of course you
What
are.
do you think about this clothes?
Oh my god, looking at you from here.
Ooh.
Babe, we might have to go for like another.
Who's that? Now who you be? Madam, now who you be?
Boss, good afternoon. Good afternoon. I beg I dey find mama.
Mama? Wrong number.
No be this address mama he gave to my mama in the village. No, this address.
This address na here o. But nobody dey here wey dey bear that mouth. Oh, okay. Ìyá ọlọ́jà. Ó ní ìyá kan tí no vex. E get one woman for there. Na she be mama ìyá ọlọ́jà.
Boss, excuse me. Boss, excuse me. No, sorry, you be Yoruba?
Ọmọ Yorùbá lèmi, kí ló dé?
Na nwanne Ijoka. Ijo ndo nwoke nwanne. Na Ijoka.
Madam, you know her.
Hey, shut up your mouth. Eh? This is my son's wife.
Wife?
And then? Is that why you're keeping her from coming in? Hey. Mama, I don't run. You're welcome. Mama, I don't run. You're welcome. What are you doing?
Mama, I hear say for this Lagos, na air una dey use dey cook. So you know say I mean one original girl. I don't like to reflect them. I say make I carry the one where I fit use. No, I don't need to phone now, Mama. I can carry the one where I sabi use.
I'll teach you how to use gas. Oh?
Mama, see come back.
Yes.
Mama, see come back.
You're welcome.
Mama, see come.
Let's go.
Hey!
You're welcome. What is this? Come. Hey.
Chineke me.
Amaka.
Poverty nyog. Mama,
What is it?
Mama, wetin be this? Mama, Mama, just talk the truth. Mama, talk the truth. Mama, am I still on heaven? Am I still on earth or I dey heaven?
You're on earth.
Mama, I dey earth. Mama, this house is beautiful. Makachi. Mama, what is this? Mama, what is this? Kakana for paradise. Mama, this is what we call paradise. It's not the village. Everywhere is smelling ogli. Ma, this one is smelling on. Everywhere is neko.
Sit.
Mama,
Amaka, sit. Stop behaving like a village girl. Sit.
Mama, don't tell me that thing. Mama, don't tell me that thing. Mikunifa. Mama, do you know the house we have in the village? That one is called. Mama, the house we have in the village, that one is called a house. Mama, you see this one? Mama, this is heaven. Makachi, this thing is illegal.
How is my friend?
Mama, she's fine, no. She's very, very fine. Mama, this house is very, very. I'm very speechless.
Come, let me show you.
Hey!
You're welcome.
Mama!
You're welcome.
No, Mama, I die here. Mama,
Mama, don't worry. You're my son's wife.
Mama, say it again.
My son's wife.
Say it again. Let them be hearing this.
This one. Yeah. I don't understand why you came. Don't worry. Bring your bag.
Mama, am I dreaming?
They are not dreaming.
Mama, am I dreaming?
You're welcome. Oh, how was the journey? Go on.
Mama, when you anybody wait talk say money no good, that person now witch. Person na raya. He can ride. Everywhere is just smelling great.
Is that my friend is good? I'm not telling you.
You see, you're holding that, even dragging me. Okay.
But I told you to ease off on the drinking and you will not listen.
I'm fine. Baby, I'm not fine. I'm fine. I'm not drunk. Honestly, I'm telling you.
Okay, so it's time to go inside now, okay?
Come inside with me now. So you can say hi to my mom. You know, she'll meet you. You meet her, your future mother-in-law, future daughter-in-law, man-in-law. You know.
No, not like this, please. Not in this state, okay?
In what state? Lagos.
Not like this. You're drunk.
I'm not drunk.
You are, baby.
Well, what about me saying that I'm drunk?
Baby, you need to go inside.
Babe, I'm not drunk.
I cannot carry you inside.
Why? You want to break my hand?
Okay, sorry.
Okay, baby, you have to carry me now. Since you don't want me to walk, carry me.
Come.
No, not this kind of carrying. Not this
Which
kind.
one?
Carry me
Like
like a
a
big
big-
to my bed.
Stop,
Like this,
let's go.
No.
Mom is going to hear me.
Mommy, Shirley's here. Shirley, come and see her. No, oh yes, you're even push. Come with me. Come with me. Come with me. Come with me.
Wait, mommy, for me.
Hey, Simon, how are you doing? Are you okay?
Been drinking.
Huh?
You've been drinking.
No, it's just a drink of sip that I had. Just had a little bit of drink of sip. Huh?
A sip.
Yeah, I had a
It's
drink
making you
of sip.
fall.
Let me go upstairs.
Why now? How can a bottle do this to you?
No, I'm okay now. Relax. Relax.
You wound yourself.
Relax now. Are you okay? Did you wound?
I did not.
Okay, so relax.
Not me now.
Relax. See, you're falling. Relax. Hold on.
Raymond, what is this now?
Who are you calling? Alright, relax. Why you push me now?
No, I'm not pushing you. Take it easy.
But you're literally...
I'm not.
So just relax. Relax.
I'm relaxed.
Hey, you're not relaxed. Why? What are you doing? Okay, what are you doing? Okay, go upstairs. Go.
No.
Hey, so leave me now. All this unnecessary
Take it
stress.
easy. Don't wound yourself now, please. Richard, see your trousers.
Short, I'm going back.
No.
Hey, so leave me now.
No.
Relax now.
Relax.
Sit down now. Stop stressing yourself. It's not like anything's going to happen. Nothing.
No.
Nothing's going to happen. Relax.
Sorry. Richard, why now? Don't do this, please. Don't do this. Don't do this with that.
Oh my God, that was loud. What was that? What was that? What was that? Oh, ow. What's that? Oh, babe. Babe, you're here. Decided to come in. Oh, babe. Babe, I'm kind of tired. Oh, I'm tired. Oh, babe, no. Babe. What? Oh my god, my head is banging. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Hey! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up now! Who are you?
Papi.
What?
Daddy.
Who's your daddy? What do you mean daddy? Who are you? I don't know who you are. Okay, get out of here. Who are you? You're freaking me out. Why are you not wearing clothes?
Daddy, calm down. Why are you screaming and screaming and screaming?
Wait. What? Wait. Your answer. Answer my question. Do not answer my question. Who are you? What are you? Who are you?
Stop screaming. Last night I came to Lagos. As your wife. I am your wifey. You told me last night that you love me. Pretty
what?
Times. Yes.
I don't even know you. How can I love you?
I am.
Get out.
Amaka, your baby and your wifey. I came last night and I satisfy your manhood like husband and wife.
Okay, I'm begging you. In the name of my mother that brought you here, get out of my room.
No,
get out. You're a stranger in my bed. I do not know who you are. Get out of my room.
Papi, you are confusing me because last night I satisfy you. We do what husband and wife do. How can I get out after doing the do? You swim in my ocean and you are telling me that
we did it.
Of course, you told me you love me. Papi, I rick you from your head to your toe. Everything I rick it. And daddy, daddy, you carry power. You carry power. I'm just a rocky girl.
So wait, we did it. No way.
Daddy.
There's no way I did it with you. I did not do anything with you. I don't know who. Like, get out. First, get out of my. I cannot think with you here. Get out of. Hey, get out.
No,
get
it's
out.
not good now.
Which one is that? It's not good.
After swimming inside my ocean, you are telling me to get out.
Stop saying that.
I am not.
Stop saying that. First
I will
of all.
Say it because it happened.
What do you mean? Listen, I do not know who you are. Get out of my room.
I gave you monkey style. I hang my
I didn't even know what was going on. If anything happened, you took advantage of me. You took advantage of me.
Bam!
You took advantage of me.
You say, baby! Right now you are saying you did not know what happened.
I was unconscious, okay? I wasn't with my consciousness. So, hey, do not touch me! Do not touch me! Get out of here!
Makachipapi lagi. You sell your property and give me your property. You lagi again.
Hey, do not come close to me. Just get out.
You make promises to me on this.
What promise? I was drunk.
I
did not listen. You took advantage of me. First of all, it's a crime.
I will reset your blame now. Let me give you another.
It's a crime.
Papi,
I do not drag my.
Give it to me from back.
What is wrong with you? Get out of my room! Hey, do not touch me! Do not touch me for not a woman.
Can you hold the small boy? You are not a small boy, Charlie.
If you were a man, I would have knocked you out. Get.
Smack here. That papi.
What was this? Mom, who was that on my bed?
Oh, Amaka, your wife now.
Mom, with all due respect, please stop joking. It's not funny. I do not find that joke funny at all. Okay, she's not my wife. She's not going to be my wife.
Richard, but I told you about her now. I did.
So that's who you told me about? Huh? She's the one you were talking up like she was. That's who you're talking about? That's who you think I deserve? That scarecrow?
No,
huh?
Don't talk like that now. Who? Amaka, she's not a scarecrow. She's not that bad looking, oh. Just a little touch here and there. She'll be good. Package her very well.
Mom, I have a girlfriend. Okay, I have a girlfriend. Like, what is, like, she wouldn't, I don't even understand what's going on.
But Amaka is already here.
And send her back to where she's coming from. I'm not interested. Okay, let her go.
That's not fair now. That is not fair now.
So it's fair on me?
Hold on. See what we're going to do. Allow her to stay here for 1 or 2 months.
Stay where?
Like
Stay where?
Here now.
Where? Here? Where?
Here.
Where?
Yeah, actually.
Where? Here? Sorry, I need to know what you're talking about.
Here with you.
In this room here. She cannot stay here. She cannot Mom, she cannot come inside this room ever again. I do not need her to come here ever again. She's not coming here. Do you understand? If you want her to stay in this vicinity in terms of this house, maybe the gate man house or somewhere, I don't know, wherever, but not here. If you want her to stay for like a day or 2 or maybe 3, that's on you. Okay, but she's not coming inside this room ever again. I don't mean to scream, but you're getting me really upset with this.
No, Richard, just give her a chance. She's a good girl, I'm telling you the truth. Forget about all these Lagos girls you're talking about. Just forget about it. She's a good girl. If you allow her, package her the way you want, you know, to talk like you, speak like you, behave like you will get her. You get what you want from her, Richard, please.
Mom, I take what I said before back. I do not have a girlfriend because I proposed to her. I have a fiance. I'm getting married, Mom. This is so messy. What's this now? I have a fiance, Mom.
Who's the fiance one?
Shirley.
These Lagos girls. All these Lagos girls that jump from one bed to another. You want to get married to them?
Shirley's Mom, I'm sorry, but Shirley is different. Okay, you can't generalize. Okay, everybody's different. She's different. You shouldn't assume the worst about her and you haven't even met, like, you don't even know her.
Do you know her?
Of course I know her.
Do you know her?
Is this one I don't know?
Even the name that sounds like pomade. See, let me tell you, Richard, let me tell you, you're not going to get married to all these Lagos girls, all these city girls. So no, it will not happen. No, it will. See, Richard, look at Amaka. Amaka is a very good girl, well brought up, innocent. See, as a matter of fact, Amaka is a virgin. You will like her, trust me. Just give her a try. Yes, now, Richard, believe me. I know I cannot deceive you. I'm your mother now. Trust me.
I don't like her. I will not like her. I won't even. Mom, I love somebody. I'm in love. Why would I leave somebody I love to force myself to like somebody I know I will not like? What is going on?
Okay.
What's we had? Like, I don't even understand. So you looked at her and you were like, oh yeah, this is the person for Richard. Mom, what do you like about her that is like, is it the hairstyle? The hairstyle is on fleek. What's the thing? I don't even understand.
Richard,
is it the way she speaks? Because I don't know what I'm missing.
Richard, let me tell you, all you need to do is a little work on her. You know, change her, whatever you
Mom.
want. See, let me tell you, you can make her what you want.
Mom.
Whatever you want for her, you can make her hair, change it, take her to
Mom.
the boutique, the makeup, change everything about her. See.
Mom, if you want to buy a car, you don't buy a car that you have to buy everything in the car and fix everything in the car. You just buy a new car. Do you understand me? I'm not guessing with that to start changing her hairstyle or what. Like, she's not from me. Okay? She's not from me at all.
I don't want you to get annoyed.
No, I'm not. It's not about me getting annoyed. If you don't want me to get okay, that's wonderful. If you don't want me to get annoyed, please send her away.
Okay, let's do something. Just look at it. Just listen to me. For the last time, just Richard, let's just give her 2 months. You want to go? Just 2 months. After that 2 months, if you don't like her, if you still don't like her, after 2 months, she will leave. Trust me. I will be the one that will take her back to the village. But give her a chance here. Just give her a chance. Try her.
It's impossible for her to stay in this room. It's not happening. If you want her as a guest in this house for however long, 1 day or 2 days or 3 days, it's up to you. Do you understand me? But she cannot come inside this room ever again, please. With all due respect.
Obanye. Obanye. Hi. This is evidence of good food. Mama, thank you very much.
Are you serious right now? That's what you have to say? You're not going to say sorry or excuse yourself. You just burped. Really rudely. Honestly.
Papi, I'm really, very sorry. Okay? I don't know, sir, I go make you vex because I'm just trying to just download and digest my food. Ndo?
Nah, take it easy with her. Oh, she will learn. Oh.
She should have learned table manners wherever she's coming from.
Papi, in my village, where I am coming from, it is an evidence that the food does digestion. Evidence of good food. That's it.
Could you just finish chewing what's in your mouth before you start speaking? It's very disgusting. I'm not trying to talk down on you, but you make it so difficult for me not to. Okay? It's not evidence of good food. It's like evidence of danger, honestly. Like, I don't even understand what's going on. Why are you making that face? It's ridiculous, honestly.
Aminwa, do you need more food? I have plate in the pot. If you need, I'll bring for you.
Are you serious right now?
Do you want more food? I
Are you serious right now, Mom? She just burped so loud that she almost woke the ancestors, and you're asking her if she wants more food?
Now take it easy with her now, eh? See, you should appreciate Amaka's naturalness. So she's organic.
Very natural.
Yes, very organic. See, she's not pretending like all these your Lagos girls you're chasing.
Maybe that's the problem. Maybe she needs to pretend a little bit, okay? It's too much. It's too organic, okay? Maybe she needs to pretend a little bit. That's the problem. Oh, can you not stick out your entire tongue with like remnants of what you just swallowed on your tongue when you're eating? It's like there are other people here trying to eat. I've lost my appetite. I can't even eat anymore.
Papi, you are talking too much.
Could you not be talking with food in your mouth?
You want me to feed you? You're not eating. Okay. I'm going to make a point. Let me feed you, okay, Papi? I'm going.
She's very caring. She's caring. Look at her. Open your mouth. Eat. Richard,
Daddy.
Richard. Don't worry. Don't worry. He will come back and meet us here. Oh?
Mama, just because of this Ntontoye, he's just vexing for me.
It's okay. It's fine. It's okay.
Mama, your son is very, very fine. Okay, Bugodi Dachi. Okay, Makatam. He's too fine.
I told you now, eh? I told you. Eh? I'm young. I told you that you will like him when you see him. But I want to beg you one thing. Please, I beg you. Take very good care of him. He's all I've got. My only child. Eh? That's why I will make sure that he marries a good wife. A well brought up girl like you.
Mama, I'm a good girl.
Yes.
Madam Wallace. I will take good care of you.
I trust you. Oh yeah, eat your food. Oh. You know what? I think I need to take you to boutique and then change your wardrobe.
No, I did not come from the village with my body load.
I'm not talking about that box. I'm talking about your clothing. Eh? Yes. I'll go to the boutique. I'll get all these fine things. You know, all these fine things that you wear. See, when you wear those fine things, he will have no choice than to notice you. He must notice you.
Okay, Mama, this English is very, very confusing. I think they talk about my cupboard in the village where I used to pack my clothes.
Not your cupboard, it's your clothing. Oh yeah, eat your food. Oh. Do you like it? Just eat if you want it.
Mama, this is what we call the rikes.
Thank you.
I like
finish,
it.
If you finish, you start with your husband's son. Eh? Don't worry. There is more in the pot. Just eat your food. Oh?
She's going to stay 2 months with you? As what, your wife?
Okay, babe. No, what? Baby. Okay, this here with you is where my heart is. And nothing can change that. Okay? I need you to believe me because I'm being honest with you.
Babe, I don't like the sound of this. Something's wrong about it.
Babe, listen. My mom will come around, okay? And she can't force me, to get with whoever she wants me to get with. She can't do that. She doesn't have that power. Okay? And I love you. Nobody's going to change that, babe. Yeah? I'm still going to introduce you to her so she knows I'm serious about having a fiance. You know? I'm sure she's going to fall in love with you. Yeah?
No. That's the food we say.
Hello, Mom.
Welcome, son.
Good afternoon, Ma. Daddy, good afternoon.
Hey, back up! What's wrong with you? Huh? What are you trying to do?
I just want to make I hug my husband.
What do you mean your husband? Who's your husband? Huh? Did I pay your bride price? What's that supposed to mean? Do not disrespect me in front of my woman. Baby, I'm so sorry about that, okay? I don't think she's mentally okay. I don't think she's stable. I apologize, okay? Mom? This is Shirley. She's the one I'm going to get married to.
Good afternoon, Ma. Nice to meet you.
Richard, we need to talk. Now. I mean now!
Okay. Alright, we'll talk. I'm coming. I'll be right with you. Okay,
now!
She's dramatic. I'll be back in a second, okay? Just make yourself comfortable.
Yeah.
Mom, relax.
I swear to God. You are telling me hi. So this is what you do. You don't see fine man. You go see fine house. Give a rega. Eh? That is how you people snatch person's husband. What is wrong with you? Even if you don't have shame for yourself, at least have shame for your family members. Have shame for your family members, because my papi can never marry a prostitute like you. You are just a cheap prostitute. Regos cheap prostitute.
I will not stoop to your level and banter words with you, so...
Come on, get away! Come on, get out! Damn, what's wrong there? Get out! Why are you speaking sleep for? Eh? I be Igbo gay. No. Daddy, my papi, look, I am not going anywhere. You question me here. You dey hear me? I question him like this. I go nowhere. I die here. So just find your way and just leave this place. What is wrong with you? Shame on you. Shame. Ha! Look at you. Look, now because of this mommy water hair, and this class, you know, avawu, man for this Lagos. So you think say my papi will fall for prostitutes like you? My Nakachibi. Call me a prostitute once, I will not let you call me that again. What kind of disrespect is this, for God's sake? Out of here. Yes. I'm athleting me here, mommy. Never be out to room. Never be out to room, Amaka is here, and you're bringing in another woman into this house. How do you think that will make her feel? Eh?
Mom, I know who I'm going to get married to. Not Shirley out there. Okay? She's the one I'm getting married to. You can't force Amaka down my throat. It's something to work.
Richard, this is not our agreement. This is not our agreement, though.
So what's the agreement we had, Mom?
We agreed that we are going to give Amaka a chance. At least give her at least 2 months. Get to know her. Do you understand me? We agreed now.
Mom, do you remember when I was in the US and I was broke, I was struggling? Do you remember that time?
Why? There's a history.
Well, Shirley stuck by me during those tough times. She actually sent me money from the little bit that she had. Now that I've made the money, now that I'm ready to get married to her, want me to get married to Amaka and leave Shirley? How do you think that will make her feel? Huh? How do you think that will make her feel?
See, Richard, you've not even tried to get to know Amaka. That girl is a good girl, oh. Nice girl, well brought up girl. See, what makes you think that Amaka will not stand by you if you were with her those years? What makes you think that? She will do that. See, you see all these Lagos girls? You see all these city girls and cheating? They are like 5 and 6, so. See, I am so sure. I am sure that girl has been cheating on you.
Okay,
yes.
Mom, please do not insult her. Please, I'm begging you. Do not insult her, especially in my presence, please. Okay? She's different. She's not like every other girl. She's different. You've never met anyone like her, so you can't compare her to anyone.
He said, who is different? That one.
Okay.
That one there. Look at what she's putting on. The breast is almost jumping out. Give Amaka a chance. Richard, come back here. Come back here. Hey, what kind of thing is this? What kind of thing is this one? Richard, you want to marry that girl? That mini prostitute. No, it will never happen. Look at what she's putting on. That mini prostitute. You want to bring her into my house? Never. Richard, never, it will never happen. You will never marry that girl. Look at the beautiful girl, well brought up, well trained. I brought for Richard. See, all you need to do is to train her, mold her the way you want her to be. This is the best now. You're talking about that food. No, it is not happening. It is not happening. Richard, it is not happening.
Babe? What are you doing out here?
Babe, just come and take me away from here before I kill somebody.
Whoa. Babe, relax. Did she do anything?
I just want to leave.
Babe, you're okay?
I want to go.
Okay. I got you. It's not a problem, okay?
No, Amaka, don't talk like that. Clean your mouth. If you choke again, that's what happened to my son.
Hey, Daddy, Happy, what happened?
Richard, what
got me worried.
He got us all worried. Why did you come back last night? What happened?
There's no need to be worried, okay? I'm a grown-up. I can go out and come back the next day, okay? Everything is okay. There's no need to be worried.
You want to kill me?
Of course I do.
You want to kill me?
I'm just going to go upstairs, okay? Everything is okay.
Papi, Daddy, please. Let me pamper you. Let me show you what Amaka baby can do.
Okay, I'm happy that you're here. So you're a witness to what I'm about to say. Do you get me? This is not a threat. This is not a promise. This is a plea to both of you. I am pleading to you. First of all, tell this creature to back off me. Back up off me. I need to talk, okay? I can't concentrate with you standing this close to me. This is abnormal. Tell her to back up off me.
Calm down.
No, back. Hey!
Allow her to. She's alright.
Mommy, tell her to back away from me.
You will like how Richard, calm down. Allow her to touch you. Please.
See, if I see you in that room, you're coming to papa me. The plea I'm giving you is that please do not send me to jail. That is my plea. Do not do something that will make me do something that will send me to jail. Please, do not come upstairs. Ever.
Papi.
Get off me. Mom, control this dog. Richard. I'm sorry I have to call you that, but
Richard,
you're doing it to yourself.
Richard, she's a good girl, oh. Richard should allow her to come and...
It's leading me like I smell like Ogiri pain. It's leading me bad. Am I smelling like Ogiri?
No. Sit down.
My heart is breaking into pieces, Mama.
Sorry. Don't worry. See, he likes you. That is his own way of trying to interpret the way he likes you. He likes you.
He likes you. He's so bestie.
He's my son. Oh. I know him. I understand him. Am I the one? And I'm the one that gave birth to him. See, that is his own way of trying to tell you that he loves you. Oh, just calm down. Oh, calm down. I'm everything.
Oh my God, what are you doing? Get off me. What are you doing in my room? Huh? Why are you... See, I'm tired of you now. Leave me alone now. What kind of nonsense is this? Is it by force? What's your problem? Hey, get off me! Hey, stop! Do not touch me! Stop touching me!
Papi, I did in my room and then I started catching cold. My spirit tell me say you go they catch cold. I say
I'm not catching cold. Maybe your AC was too high or something. Get out of here. Just get. But I'm good. Okay? Get. Well, what are you doing? What are you doing?
True to God, I am catching very cold. Just be a mama. Hold me.
What? You?
Let's hold ourselves.
No, you hold yourself. Okay? You can hold yourself. You can go to your room and hold 2 pillows. Okay? That's the most you get tonight. You're not holding me. Get out of here.
Papi, I get the body odor. Am I smelling? Oh, you are treating me.
Get off.
Papi, please. Papi, please, don't leave me. Please, Papi, please. worry. I know what to do. Which kind of papi be this? Eh? Just small thing, $8 you be running away from me like you are a chicken. As if you are not a little man. Eh? I know what to do. I know what I go do. Next time, in here get there like this, I go give him snake in the monkey shadow.
Hey, why you? Let me not get up. Bring
Mama.
Oh,
Ejimia.
Ijienne.
Agata.
Tom.
Okay, you sucking your belly. You push out.
Small. Hey, let's sit down.
Mama.
Sit. Why? You see, by the time you start dressing like this, very sharply like this, he will reconsider. I know my son.
Consider. Mama, he mostly consider. What are you talking? I'm a becker like me. With so much steez, Mama. What are you saying? Mama, I have good character now.
You are.
I have good character.
Yes.
It's not all these Lagos girls. Will I go from head to toe? Ami is natural and authentic girl.
To the village. I brought her from the village. Well trained.
Yes.
Well cultured. For my son.
Very good. Mama, very. Mama, will not disappoint you.
At all, I trust you.
Trust me.
I trust
me, Mama.
I trust
me.
I trust you.
Mama, thank you so much for the clothes and the shoes. Thank you.
Don't worry, my darling. So this is just small. I'll get you more.
Mama, tell me the truth. Take a look at me. Is my makeup beautiful?
I the one talking like this. You are beautiful. Forget about makeup.
Beautiful. Okay.
Forget about makeup. You see, what makes a wife is a beautiful
one. Mama, that is what I keep. What is what I keep talking about? Beautiful character.
Not a beautiful
and I have
makeup.
it, Mama. I have it.
See, you know what I'm going to do? I will get all these makeup artists. They will work on you. By the time they are done working on you, my son will never resist you.
I am irresistible. Mama, shout it. So that those at the backyard will know that your daughter-in-law has rendered like a Land Rover. Ami Beke. Mama, you see your son, eh? If I catch him, Mama, if I do it like this,
look at it. See.
We can't call seduction. We call it seduction. Mama, I will seduce you.
Don't worry, I'm here.
Mama,
we are doing the work together. Let's go up. Oh.
Mama, don't worry.
So you're going to change.
If I catch your son, Mama.
Don't worry.
He will know that I am Ami.
Ami
Beke.
Ami.
Mama. As you go abacha, he will eat. I sabi cook, Mama.
Let's go upstairs. Let's go. Ami, why? Ami, why? Ami, by the time your mother sees you, she will not come. Ami,
no, it's not easy to work on this things.
Don't worry.
Now,
You will learn. You get that? You will learn. Small, just take it easy. Ami ran close. You know, Richard, let's do something. Why not take Amaka out on a date?
I'm not taking her out. That's first of all. Let's get that out of the way. I'm never taking her out in this life or the next.
Why?
One. I'm never taking her out. The only time I'll take her out is take her out to the airport to fly far away from me. Do you understand me? But secondly, to add context, one of the reasons, amongst many, why I will never take her out is that if I'm spotted out with her, she might be captured and reintroduced into the zoo as
Richard,
a creature that escapes.
No,
they might mistake her. I'm not saying she came from the zoo. I will never say that. But they might mistake her of from something that should be in the zoo.
Don't talk like that, please.
No,
don't talk like that. What is it now? How can you call a maca an animal? Why she's not now? She's a human being. See, let me tell you, Richard. You know what I'm going to do? Take her. If you take her maca now, the way she is, you know she's a pretty girl. I want you to package her. She will see if you package her maca very well. She'll be better than all these Lagos City girls. Eh?
Yeah, I'm heading out. I need to go eat.
Richard, wait. Chelo, see. Richard, listen to me. Hold on now. Look at him. See, Amaka is a good girl. See, you've not even spent 1 hour. 1 hour quality time since she got here. You know what? Spend time with her. Get to know her.
Every second I spend with her, unfortunately, is so painful. It's like torture.
I promise you like her.
There's no future in her.
You like her. Richard, think about it. Richard, think about it.
Are you serious right now? What are you doing? Huh? You were listening to what we're saying?
No.
What's going on here?
Papi, sorry, I saw cockroach entering your room, so I just chased it. Okay. Sorry, Papi. So, Papi, I want to tell you...
And do not call me Papi. And I hate that sound. You shouldn't even be in my room. You're invading my privacy, honestly. She's my mother. Makes sense she's here. Okay. Doesn't make any sense that you're here.
Okay. Sorry, Papi, for the privacy. It's cockroach that made me...
Okay, where is it? Where is it then?
I keep...
No, where is it?
It's okay.
No. She's sticking to the cockroach story.
No, Papi,
where is the cockroach?
Papi, enter there.
Where is there?
Papi Butu, I want to tell you that I made the food and it's nice best for you.
You see, Richard is...
Get out of my room, okay?
Good cocoa.
Papi.
Okay, are you okay? How would you know window?
Not like how Papi is greeting me.
Don't worry, everything will be fine. She's fine.
Just cockroach I saw entering your room.
Don't worry. See this food you prepared. By the time you finished eating this one, he will change. Oh, I'm tomato jar.
Jesus Christy! What's this? What on earth is this? Are you serious right now?
Yeah. What is it?
What's this one?
Why are you screaming like this?
So what is this?
This is food.
It's food.
This is food.
Food for my baby.
This is food. For me or for a whole village. Huh?
Food for you, my baby.
Can you believe this? What is wrong with you? How is this food for me? It's too much.
Richard, see, this is food. If you feel that you cannot finish it, you know what you will do? Take this plate, Take the plate, take the fork, take the quantity of food you can finish. Yes, like this, Drop it here, and eat, Instead of screaming as if the food wants to swallow you,
Papi, I don't know. This food, you need it. Because you need to see how little men in the village eat food. A little man must conquer his pride.
What are you talking about? So it's eating this ridiculous sized food is what makes me a real man, huh?
Yes.
Eating this thing?
Yes, now.
That's how I prove myself as a little man.
In the village, you need to say little men when they eat food. A little man must conquer his plate, daddy.
If I conquer this place, I will die. If I conquer this place, death will conquer me. Do you understand me? My heart will literally stop beating in my chest. And you want me to conquer this? This?
take it easy now. Take it easy. It has not come to all this. No.
Look at this. This is ridiculous. Even with the huge chunk, you cut off. Look at this. Look at this.
Richard, take the one you can take. Leave the other one.
Papi, if you eat enough food, you will be very, very strong.
This is crazy. Okay, look at the proportion to the soup.
It's not crazy.
No.
Papi.
No. I don't want it to look like that. I'm saying for no reason. Mom, what's this?
Richard, it's okay.
Look at the soup. So am I supposed to eat this? Like I should chew?
Richard, why do you find everything she does?
Look at the soup.
I'll take the one you can eat.
Where's the meat? I can't even see the meat.
Papi,
There's
this
no
thing
meat.
will help your million.
There's no meat, but look at how big the
Richard,
gari is.
eat the one you can eat. Simple.
So waste the rest.
You know what? If you don't finish it, who can eat now?
Oh, so
are you the only one in this house?
So if I go to eat leftovers.
Are you the only one in this house?
No, I'm not the only one in this
Eating
house.
what you remain is not leftovers.
But you would
You're my son now.
You would think I was the only one in this house based on this gari.
Papi, Papi,
Don't call me that.
It will
Don't
help
call me
your
that.
melanin boy.
Please,
I know what I'm saying.
We can sit down.
Okay, they can work a shadi. Give what chiri. Every time
Sit down.
drinking.
I don't feel comfortable being in the same vicinity as this human being. I'm calling her a human being. I know that's a compliment. Calling her a human being because I don't want to call her a creature. You know, which might be more appropriate. But this human being here, I don't feel comfortable being in the same vicinity as her.
I'm sorry.
What do you want?
I say, make I help you arrange your table.
My table is already arranged. Okay, I'm not trying to shout. Whoa! What are you doing? Stop! You just traumatized me. Why are you sewing? Just buy another underwear now. You saw me. Why are you sure I don't even want to see that? Just leave. Please, just leave.
Buy for me, Papi. Okay. Make we do our little duties now. Me and you. Eh? You hold me, I hold.
First of all, there's no marital anything going on here. Do you understand me? We're not married, okay? And I want to sleep. What are you doing? Why are you putting your leg in? Why are you touching your waist? What is this? What are you doing? You're freaking me out.
Sassy for my baby. Papi, come and swim in the ocean of my love. I love you.
You're freaking me out. Stop.
Okay, waiting now.
Just go now.
I'm trying to be a soft girl. You don't like it. Okay, you want me to do crazy one? You want the one to...
Whoa.
Okay, tell me, which one is your favorite style? Tell me your favorite style. Okay, I know. Let's do missionally.
I cannot believe this is happening.
I can do missionally. There's one they used to hang Greg for up. You turn and. Boom! Wee! The thing will not do.
I thought you were a virgin. Huh? Aren't you a virgin? How come you know all these styles and flying from the ceiling and stuff?
Papi, it's to God. I be virgin. But my spirit used to do practice. That's how I know them.
Oh, you're a virgin, but your spirit is a baddie. That's what you're saying.
Yes, Papi.
Yeah, makes perfect sense.
Daddy.
Could you stop putting your feet close to me?
Papi. And when Ghana bought snake in the monkey shadow.
Hey! Stop!
You just make me afraid
I'm
right
trying.
now.
I'm trying not to hit you. I swear. I'm making a conscious effort.
Just rub me. That is what I am talking about, Papi. The way you speak English, you make me wetty.
Yeah.
I try to speak English like you. Fucking shit, Papi. I love you.
No. Will you stop that? Stop, please. I just gotta beg you. I just gotta beg. I'm not speaking. I know they speak English like that.
Laggy. Papi, laggy.
No. Hey.
Crazy.
Yeah, I know you're crazy. And it's freaking me out. Leave me. Okay, just go. Please. I don't want to put hands on you. What are you doing? Oh my God! Wait!
Hey,
Stop! What's your problem? I don't want to put hands on you now.
Papi, on a check. Papi, the way you speak English, on a memo. Hey, Papi, please now. Every time this daddy, because they just they do anyhow.
I don't understand. Don't you go need small water for back? No person for. Madam, what you going to do for here only you by this time?
Is you know that daddy where they behave anyhow? If you see me, go they say out.
Behave anyhow, okay? I don't understand how you take the behave.
No waiting they worry him. You go they be like say in Tino they stand.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome, baby. You drive me crazy, you know that, right? Honestly, like I wish my mom would just drop the Amaka drama thing and just let us be, you know? It's really annoying. You know, these shoes are actually interesting. You know, it has this long heel and then tentacles.
Baby, maybe I should move in with you.
Move in?
Yeah, I think if I move in with you, maybe Mommy will know that we're serious and maybe she could back off.
No, that's a great idea.
It is?
Honestly, it's a great idea.
Yeah, so when I'm on leave, I could just, come stay with you.
Makes a lot of sense, honestly. I can't wait to be with you all the time. We're going to give birth to like triplets in like 9 months, honestly. Because it has to add up, And we have to soundproof the room as well.
Right? Because of screams.
From someone,
I mean, yeah, imagine it's okay.
Can't wait for you to move in, baby.
I can't wait to stay with you. Husband.
Baby. There you go.
Thank you.
Oh, how beautiful.
So good to be home. Daddy, who is this strange woman you blink into our home?
Okay, first of all, I'm not your biological father, okay? And I do not happen to be your adopted or stepfather. Do not call me daddy ever again. Stop that.
Okay, Papi.
Papi, you cannot blink another woman into this house now.
Ignore her, okay? She's not...
No.
Do not step close to her. Do not step close to her. She's not mentally...
I can see that.
Yeah.
Nah, Papi, you cannot blink. This is a matrimony home now. It's a matrimony house. You blink another woman. It's not possible now. It's not possible. Why you behaving like that now? Why you blink somebody into a matrimonial home? Daddy, I don't like them. I don't like them. Every time stay there. What thing be this? There's no clear words. Strange woman. Akuna. Uso, nkape. Uzu. Regos prostitute. Bringing strange woman in a matrimony home. Papi. Mama, I think you know that respect is reciprocal. Because Papi is not respecting my presence as a wife in this house. Right now, as I'm talking to you, Papi brought a stranger inside this house.
What?
Yes. And as I'm talking to you right now, they are inside. I'm sure they are committing adultery right now.
God forbid.
Don't mind her. Okay, she's my mom's guest. I know she's unusual. I don't think she's balanced.
Good evening, Ma.
Sorry. It's true. It is true, Richard. What is he doing here?
I could literally ask the same of her. But out of respect for you as my mother, I'll answer your question. You know Shirley, okay? This is my fiance and she's going to be here for a while.
Papi na right. Ina ko paramanse. This Auntie Gwegwe here. This place is not for her. This place can never be safe for her. This is a matrimony home and you're saying respect is reciprocal. You are not respecting your mother.
You've created a monster. How could you talk to me like that in my own house? How could you talk to me like that and do not lean on that furniture? If my mother leans on it, do not lean on it.
Please, let me correct something. She's not a monster. And please don't call her monster again. What are you spitting? What nonsense are you spitting? See, what are you doing here? What is she doing here? Is this your house? Is this your house?
Mom, we're not doing that. I don't want to.
See, let me tell you. You better pick your things and leave this house immediately. Now!
Light now.
She's not going anywhere. Mom, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not going to front, okay? I'm not going to mince words with you. I'll say it straight. If you force her to leave, I'm leaving with her, okay? And I'm never coming back.
Papi, please.
Do not touch me! Get her off of me!
Please,
Mom, I don't want to hit a woman. Let her not touch me. She shouldn't disrespect me and disrespect my fiance.
Can respect you. Respect.
Could you get up off your knees and move to your left?
Papi, please.
Stand up and move to your left.
If you leave me, I will die. If you leave me, I will die in my life. Don't leave me. Papi, see, because of this Papa Wiki, where is that?
Stop making me feel bad. Listen, no. What I'm trying to say is that you said...
Kunya.
You deserve somebody that will love you. You deserve somebody that will love
It's
you.
so that will love me.
No, that's a fantasy. That's delusion. That's being delusional.
I love you.
No, that's what they call delulu.
You
Please.
are my life.
No, I'm not. I just met you, and I don't even know you, and I don't want to know you. Mom, please handle this. Oh, stop it. Do not. Hey. Could you not? Yeah, I'm so sorry about that.
Don't worry.
Could you not?
I mean, listen to me. Listen to me. Stop crying.
Baby, just touch my ears.
crying.
Don't look
Stop
at the
crying.
side.
Nothing
It's small.
will happen.
If you touch it, you will not leave me.
Hey! Whoa! What is going on?
I mean, don't worry. Nothing will happen. See, let me tell you. You are not going to end up with any woman I do not approve of. See you. You will run out of this place.
What
is this or 2 level next year. You will run. How am I going to leave me alone? What are you talking about? I'm in one. Tomato Johnson.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. Okay, my mother is kind of different. Okay, but as for that other being that was next to her, I think she's not all there, you know. So I apologize. I'm sorry. You're sweating. I'm so sorry. You're panting. I'm sorry, baby. I love you so much. Okay. All right, my dear. Made you breakfast. You know.
Baby, thank you so much for the breakfast.
Yeah, I would have had sausages and bacon and eggs and stuff, but I forgot to get the stuff. You get me? So for next time, you have the bacon and the sausages and the eggs. I promise.
You've done enough. Thank you.
But yeah, I actually need to go pick up a package when I'm done eating. So
Okay.
yeah, I mean you can come with me if you don't feel comfortable, you know, being here all by yourself.
Baby, I'm fine. I can take care of myself.
Are you sure? I mean, there's some strangers around.
I can take care of myself.
Of course you can. Alright.
So silly.
What?
Pepe!
What?
Pepe in the tea.
Pepper in the tea? What's that supposed to mean? Are you trolling me? Hiss! I'll pour you this tea if you don't look at me now. Hiss!
Papi.
Why did you put pepper in this tea?
Papi, I didn't.
Why did you put pepper in this tea?
To look to God, I
Do
did
not talk to me if you're going to lie. Why did you put pepper in this tea?
Baby, it's
No, how could you put pepper in your tea? What kind of ridiculous childishness is that?
I'll make another tea for myself.
What is going on? Do you want to bring down this house? What is going on? What is it?
Mom, can you imagine? This creature put pepper in her tea. How could you put pepper in a human being's tea? Why would you do that?
I didn't do anything, for Christ's sake.
I mean, why it's okay, Richard. See this beautiful girl. It's not a creature. She's human and very beautiful. If it is me, me, it's only pepper you add. See, let me tell you, if it is me, I will not add only pepper. I will add acid. It's acid. What? Scatter that your intestine.
So you're siding with her?
Hey,
Step away from me. Step away from me.
How can you bring another woman into this house when you know that you have a wife here? Who does that? Who?
Side with her? That's unbelievable. I can't believe you right now.
I'm in one. Tomato Johnson. If you did it, well done.
You're unbelievable, babe. I'm so sorry about this. Okay, let's.
She's
You can't drink that. Okay, you can't drink that. Let's go.
Protecting her husband.
I'll make you another.
I'll just.
She's trying to protect her husband.
Babe, what of breakfast? Let me make you a
Okay.
Yeah?
Come on,
Okay.
breakfast. Where's the breakfast? Lunch.
What is your problem? Don't make me put hands on you. I will put hands on you. I will put hands on you like you're a man.
Richard, just look at it. Consider this to see this one.
Do not let me put hands on you.
Richard, see, fair.
See, when I do it now, everybody's going to blame me. Oh, you're a busy woman, you're a busy woman. Mom, control her. Control her. She put pepper in my wife to beans tea. I am supporting her. What's that supposed to mean?
Is it Pepe? What's her name? Shirley. I think she's of a man. She's supposed to enjoy this pepper tea. Come on, Richard. This is only pepper.
What is it? Get. See, oh my God.
Richard, calm down.
Oh my God.
Richard, calm down. Calm down.
Hey, Johnny Potter. Go and call your brother.
For what now?
I need to kill somebody.
For what?
I need to kill somebody with my peace. I
cannot
cannot touch her because you're a woman.
Cannot kill anybody.
Your brother. Because I'm not now.
You cannot kill anybody.
Are you mad?
See, I'm in one.
Babe, I'm so
Tomato
sorry about
juice.
this.
Baby guinea. Baby will call your mama. Baby guinea. Baby kill you there. Come and drink tea now.
Mama, they wanted to pepper me, but to God pepper.
Pepper them.
I want to pepper me.
Pepper them back. Pepper them. Amaka pepper them. Sit down. No, Amaka pepper them. Sit down. Sit.
You just touch me like this. You think you like an electric shock.
Don't worry. He likes you. Forget about it. He likes you. You know this one is doing. He's too late. See, Ivana, initial crack.
What are you even doing here? Every time you are just here pretending and doing like a homely wife so that my papi will marry you. Eh?
Amaka, I'm not going to argue with you, okay?
No, argue with me now. No, argue with me. You think it's because of that day I just keep quiet for you because it was my first time in the house. I just have to behave myself. Try it this time and we deal with you. Yes.
Okay, Amaka, let's talk like girls. What exactly is the problem? What did I do wrong? Ever since I came to this house, I've been on my lane. But you found a way to be around me, to talk to me. What exactly is the problem?
Now you are too calm for my liking. Now get away. I don't like you. You are my problem. Yes, my very, very serious problem. What is it now? See, this place is my territory. Why are you just coming here to possess things? Just stay away.
Wow. What is Lagos girls? They just come and just be doing anyhow. Come in here, just be talking. Do talking small. You think say it's by just coming here and be pretending? See, this is my territory and I've marked it. I've marked my territory. I'm telling you, I'm warning you.
Why am I even trying to have a conversation with you? You're just a local fowl. You'll be fine.
Who did you call a local fowl?
Did you call me local fowl now?
Have you seen yourself?
Did you call me a local fowl?
Amaka,
This is the genesis. The next time, Milioko, I'll pour you hot water. What rubbish? No one What is happening? What is it? What in God's name is happening here? What is happening? What sort of nonsense is this?
Mommy, she put water on my body.
I was just there on my own doing nothing. She just started beating me. Shirley Pomade. What kind of disrespect is this? You've barely been in this house. Now you're fighting like a market woman. In this house. It is Richard's fault. It is his fault. If Richard had listened to me, it wouldn't be like this. These children. What an adult sees sitting down. If you like climb an hero country, you will never see it. See, let me tell you, all these Lagos girls, you all are bad news. Bad news. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? You are bad news. Leave. It is not my fault to marry. Leave. Shirley Pomade, leave.
After eating loy, she will come here and fake Ajibo forming posh girl. Come here now, use your loy hand and loy my neck.
It's okay. My son told me what you did for him. You tried. How you've been sending money to him when he was abroad. And you
No, you're not the first person that did it. Though. People have been doing it. Yes, now. People have been sending money to people abroad, helping people. Yes, you're not the first person. On your see why? See, let me tell you. Calculate how much you sent to my son. Now he is rich. He will not even pay you naira. He will pay you in dollars. He will pay you in dollars. He can even double it times 10. Shelly Pomed, times 10. Leave my son alone. Leave him alone. Let him marry. This is his wife. Let him marry his wife. Leave him alone.
Rego's girl fighting like a village girl.
Shelly Pomed. Shelly Pomed. Leave my son alone. Leave this house. Leave while you are still alive. You still have time to leave. Leave, oh. Leave. Oh. I'm in one. Hey. Oh. I hope she did not touch you.
She touched me. I don't know if I sit on my back.
Let's go. I'm in one. Tomato juice. Oh, yeah. Oh. Why are you looking at me like that? Is this your house? Is this your house? You're feeling comfortable. Relax. Even watching TV. As what? As what? As wife you are, right?
No, Mommy.
Will you shut your mouth? Who is your mom? God forbid. God forbid. To fear what? I will never have a girl. A useless girl like you as a daughter. I am not your mother. Don't you ever call me your mother. See, you're not ashamed of yourself. You brought your load into a man's house that is not your husband, that will never be.
Mommy, Richard and I love each other.
Will you shut your mouth? Mechiono, siga, da mechiono. What's the love? I am talking. You're telling me about love. Love kill you there. Love kill you there. See, Shelly Pomed. Look at me. Just look at me. I would rather die than see my son marry you. It will never happen. Yes. So, you know what is good for you? Go in there, pack your things, and leave my son's house, because he will never marry you. He will never marry you. Shelly Pomed for God. Look at her. That's why I'm talking about these city girls. City girls, look at what she's putting on. Look at her. Look at her. She wants to show us that she has everything complete. I'm moving. I'm not done. Enjoying my son's house. No, I've touched it. I don't even need to drink it. Where is this? Come and throw it away. Come and throw it away. I don't need it.
Hey, what's wrong? Are you okay? Why are you crying?
Why don't you ask your mom that has sworn never to see us get married? I'm tired.
Okay, babe, listen to me. Okay? I need you not to take anything my mom says seriously. Don't let her get to you. Okay? It's me you should listen to. What I say goes. It's my life. She can't force a woman on me. Okay? I promise you that. Okay, please. I hate seeing you like this, babe. Don't ruin your makeup. Okay? Don't ruin your makeup, please. Smile for me, baby. You're the cutest. Oh, you see, I didn't even have to try too hard. That smile is always there. I love you, baby. Please stop crying. It's okay. Okay? Yeah? Come on. Hey, what are you doing here? Huh? What are you doing in my room? What's wrong with you? No, what's she doing in my room? Why is she here? Huh? And why are you pointing at me?
Mama, I saw them kissing and committing adultery.
What? In this house?
Yes.
Mom.
Richard.
What do you mean, Richard? She's my fiance. Okay, we're grown. It's not like I was doing a crime.
Chimo, my God, oh, what is this? Oh, they have turned my son. Oh, people of the world, help me! Oh,
Okay,
help me! People of the world, help me!
No, could you stop being so dramatic? Why are you being so dramatic? Could you not say that? That's disrespectful.
Richard, where did I go wrong now? Richard, where did I go wrong? Oh, you have turned my son. You have turned my son. Oh, help me! Help me! We are the please. We are father. Richard, your father will be turning in his grave. I need to stop crying. My son has been taken away. He's going. He's gone. Oh, Richard.
Ellie! Ellie! Please be on to this house.
Amen.
Dr. Osayo.
Yes, sir.
What is happening? What is your problem?
Are they doing gumbode on the bed upstairs?
That's why you're here. You see that girl? That girl is a witch. She's not ordinary. Please, you need to do something, prophet. Yes.
That is why I am here.
Amen.
Hey!
Amen.
Hallelujah!
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah!
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah!
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah!
Hallelujah.
This is not an ordinary prayer. It's a vigil. And we will wake up a different person in the morning.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Move. Lead me to them.
Take it easy. The prophet doesn't rush. Let's go.
Elijah! 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 Elijah!
As I walk there with this people, sprinkle water and be saying amen to my prayers.
Evil spirit, come out! Evil spirit, come out!
What?
Evil spirit, come out! Evil spirit, come out! Evil spirit, come out!
What's wrong with you?
Evil spirit, come out!
What is wrong with you? Hey, I swear to God. Hey, don't hit my... Babe,
Come out!
I swear to God. I swear to God.
Go after them! Go after them! The evil spirit doesn't want them.
Concentrate on the girl. That girl has witch. The girl.
Little boy, if you see mommy water, I say if you see mommy water, never you run away. Hey, sing. Ah, madam. Ah, you bring food come again. Ah.
I blame food. Every time they do like say hunger no dey catch you. Meanwhile hunger full your eyes.
Madam, and you sef, you know how you dey take see am for my face say hunger dey there. Madam, God go bless you. See, you too good though. You be very good person. Since when you enter this house, my life turn better.
Wetin make am better now?
Ah, madam.
They no dey pay you salary.
You no know. Ah, salary no dey do. You know they do okay. person wey get plenty people wey dey help, wey dey take care of. Salary no dey do. See, before you come, I know the picture of ẹ̀pà lásán àti bread àti mineral. Madam, something dey smell.
You
see? No, Bonkata. You do well.
Wetin I wan tell you say, maybe no be I don't know how you dey take spend your money, but you see that thing where you dey love, you see that bleaching cream, e get to near down because the kind of color riot where they go on your body, the color broken you dey do. You honey who fan talk by kuku. Don't know ya. You are using color white now. You want to pretend?
Which one?
You are using color white. If I see, I know to blink at your inner beauty. Manobala go kunihu. Don't know ya dance so that your sarale can be enough for you. After you blink the plate for me, yeah. Blink the plate.
You do well, madam. Thank you. Color white. Chicken John, be better king. I'm gonna make her the enter inside. Madam, you do well, oh.
What is it? Are you okay?
I'm not feeling good.
Talk to me. What is wrong?
It's like I'm pregnant.
Ami?
Mama.
Pregnant? Hey! Pregnant. Has Richard touched you?
Now. He has touched me. That night he came back very, very long. Mbohelu moji melolo yojima kwa foya.
Hey! Is this what you're talking? Small. I'm allowed it. I'm allowed it.
Because I am
allowed it.
I am pregnant.
See, me, the latest grandmother to be. And you're here. You're whispering it in our ways. Hey! Hey!
I am very shy.
Have you told Richard?
I don't tell him Kwaku miss. You did not tell him anything.
I will don't worry. Go back, I will talk to him. What? You know, when he comes back, I'll talk to him myself. I will tell him what happened. Don't worry. You know what? You're now good now. I'll rest. Very soon. The food will soon be ready. You will eat. Oh? I'm with mom. Tomato jars.
Rounder.
Tomato jars.
Rounder, so that those are the backyard. Those in the other compound, they will hear.
They will hear it. Oh, I'm with mom. Tomato jars. Anyway, Jegalum. Udara me cham. Udara me cham. Amaka, you're pregnant. Nyaki Jimayo. Amaka, say it loud. Say it loud. Say it loud. God has answered my prayer. So, hey, you wait. There is this song. The Lord has done it. Finally. Oh, finally. The Lord has done it. Finally. Oh, finally. Oh, the Lord has done it. Finally. Oh, finally. The Lord has done it. Finally. Oh, finally. Oh.
Hello.
Join us now.
Okay, what are we celebrating? I don't know what we're celebrating.
Agunwa. Odogum.
Yeah.
Omekanaya.
Okay, what are we so happy about?
Amaka is pregnant. For you.
What?
Yes, so. I am calling his shy.
How is that possible? It's not possible. Babe, I never touched that. It's not possible. What are you talking about?
Richard.
Huh? How could you be talking out the side of your neck?
I don't understand.
I'm the one that doesn't understand. I don't understand what's going on here. Okay, how could you be pregnant for me? Look at you. You can't be my baby mama. Okay, don't talk of my wife.
Richard, she is your wife. Haven't you touched her?
I didn't. What do you mean I touched?
Is it not that night that you come back drunk that you sleep with me?
Oh.
I fake me up.
Whoa. Babe, I was drunk. I can't even remember what happened.
No.
I was so drunk. Okay, like, babe, I was drunk, honestly. See, babe. No.
Why are you taking this? Why are you what's that?
Stop now, stop.
What is wrong? See, this one night has made me a proud grandmother. Oh. Whether you like it or not, Amaka is pregnant, and that's what matters. When you are done coming, you ranting, you come down, we do the knife, this fool. The Lord has done it finally. Oh, finally. What she cannot do, you have done it. Oh, she has no choice. Oh, the Lord has done it. I mean,
Mama, I'm very, very fertile. Very, very fertile.
You will not do
I tell
anything
you, I
in this
will not
house.
disgrace you.
Baby told me she does not exist. Yet she exists in your bed?
Babe, I'm sorry about this, honestly. It was that night I was drunk, okay? That night that you drove me back and I was drunk. I didn't even know what I was doing. I'm so sorry, baby. I'm sorry.
Drunk?
I was drunk. I wasn't in my right senses.
Drunk?
Babe, I'm sorry.
Did I not tell you that you're not to drink too much? And yet you told me that you could handle it. That's how you handle things?
Babe.
No wonder she had audacity to insult me anyhow. That's how you were handling her.
Babe, it was a stupid mistake. It was a very stupid mistake. And I was drunk, babe. I'm sorry. I love you. I don't even have to say that. You know I love you. Babe, I would never do this to you on purpose. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, babe.
Did you say love?
I love you.
Is this your definition of love?
It was a mistake, babe. I'm sorry.
What the hell is a mistake? I trusted you!
Babe,
I could vouch for you! I would fight and say you would never do such! And look at me, you embarrassed me!
Babe, this is not who you are. Don't let them turn you into who you're not. This is not the lady I fell in love with. Babe, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please.
You're right. This is not me. And instead of me to stay here and allow you turn me to the monster that I'm not, I'd better leave.
Babe, come on, don't do... Babe, we've been through way too much together for you to take off that ring. Babe, I'm sorry. We can walk through
I was going to
this.
spend forever with you. I was going to endure it all. I was going to take the shame, the insult. It's for a while. I will soon marry you and everything will stop. And look at the way you embarrassed me. Look at the way you embarrassed me. And you still want me to stay? Take it.
Babe, I can't take it. It's for you. It's yours. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's fix this. Babe, come on, don't quit. Don't quit on us, please.
Take it.
I can't. It's yours. Babe, don't do this. Please.
I miss you so much. Wife. Shoo. Hey, go. Close the door. Kata. So what she's putting on. Close the door. Hey, close it. Close it. Mama, please, this her nyash. Is it plastic nyash?
That one, this one. I don't know. It may be. Look at what she's putting on. Very short. This girl is almost naked.
Very short.
This is what she wants to use to deceive my son.
Very naked.
Ekwensa kwa ngwara ga-agwa ka ihere ga-eme gị. Ekwensa kwa ngwara ga-agwa ka ihere ga-eme gị. N'ọfịa ịbịara ịlụ di. Bịa ka ị nụ m.
Chico.
Who be that?
Come out, sir. I want to tell you something.
Wetin happen?
Come out, I want to tell you something.
Madam, wetin happen now? Wetin happen? Oga die?
Babe, Shirley, wait. I'm sorry, hold on. Let's have a conversation. Please, just listen to me. Okay, that's all I ask of you. Listen to me, please. Okay?
Richard, there is nothing to say to you, so...
Babe, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Okay, I am. I know I messed up big time, and I acknowledge that I take responsibility for all of that, and I just want the opportunity to fix things. I'm really sorry, baby. This is for you. I know I can't buy your forgiveness with flowers, but... babe, I love you. Please.
So, after everything that happened, you think flowers would settle it? Your mother humiliated me daily. Your girlfriend or your baby mama poured water on me. I took insults because I loved you. After everything, look at how you paid me back. And then you came back with what? Flower. Richard, do me a favor and don't contact me again. Just leave me alone and get a life. Don't come back.
change this one. What is so much food? I don't like. Then let me put our own. I mean, oh, give me. What is it? Yeah. No, do not, again. What is it now?
Mama, is it not daddy? He refused to eat the food I cook for him. He's just there crying since because of that nonsense girl.
Is that why your face is like this? Yeah? Don't worry. When he's done crying, he will go to the village and pay your bride price. That's fine now.
But Mama, I am very confused. Confused. Mama, you told me make I come from village, right?
Yes.
I come from village, quite all right. But then this your son, he does not have any role for me in his eyes now. Things are different. You say he will marry me, right?
Who told you?
You told me he will marry me.
Who told you?
He does not have role for me, Mama.
Don't worry. He loves you. He has no choice. So he has to love you. After all, you are carrying his my grandchild. Oh. Are you asking me? Am I sure? I am very, very sure. 100% sure. So, will he abandon you and my grandchild and go for another woman?
God forbid.
See, we don't do that in this family. Yes, in this family, we own up to our responsibility. I see my son. He will own up to his responsibility and take care of you. Oh, you know, when he's done crying, you can't eat the food. I'm a young one. Richard. Are you planning to rot in this room? You've not even touched your food. Why? Oh. So you think starving yourself is the right thing, See, your pregnant wife, Amaka, is there, worried sick about you, asking after you every moment, every minute.
I will never and I can never love that individual that you introduced into this house.
So Richard, you think life is all about love alone? You think life is all about love alone? See you. Now you have responsibilities. A child is on the way. Your child. Richard, your own child. This is my grandson.
You know what? I can't honestly can't do this.
What are you doing?
Going back to the States.
Richard, you're not going anywhere. Listen at this, you're not going anywhere until you go to the village and pay Amaka's bride price. Richard, do you want to bring shame to me? Do you want to bring shame to me? Drop, you're not going anywhere, please. You're not going anywhere. See, let me tell you, you cannot expect me to bring an innocent girl from the village and for you to get her pregnant and abandon her. No, God forbid, it will not happen. Listen, her mother called me the other day from the village, telling her to come and do the needful before her pregnancy starts showing. What are you doing? A woman that sent her daughter to me, trusted me, sent her daughter to me in confidence. You want to abandon her like that? See, I cannot do that to another woman's child, though. I cannot do that. See, you're not going anywhere.
I can take responsibility.
You are not going anywhere.
No. I can take responsibility for the child, but I can't get married to her. It's not happening.
Oh, see, responsibility
for the child, but I'm not getting married to that individual.
See, let me tell you. As it stands now, you have no choice. You have no choice, Richard. You must go to the village and do it. See, as it stands, start planning for the wedding. Start making plans for the wedding. That's all I have.
We had casual sex. It's not even casual sex because I wasn't even conscious when that happened. Damn near R-worded me. I don't say the word, but you know what the word that starts with R, because I wasn't even conscious. But that's what happened, okay? So I'm not going to get married to her because she's pregnant.
It's not any pregnancy, there's nothing there. Child, no matter how, anyhow, she's pregnant, that's what matters. I'm in one. Tomato juice.
Papi,
I'm in,
what thing I go do to prove my love for you, please? Why can't you just love me?
See an innocent girl, begging and crying for your love. Richard, open your heart. Mepe no bikinabatia. Love her as your wife. Love her. Look at her.
Hey, do not come close to me. Do not touch me. Get off me.
See.
What's she doing? What's happening?
See.
Hey, get off me! Stop now! Stop this thing!
She's begging for your love. See this innocent girl begging for your love.
What's she doing now? What's this now?
Open up your heart and love her.
Could you stop rolling on the floor? Stop rolling on the floor.
My whole body is just paining me that you're breaking my stomach.
Hey, Richard, why you carry her
Please.
now?
What?
You carry her to the bed now,
Why should I carry her to the bed? What? First of all, she shouldn't even be in my room. Why am I carrying you?
Carry me to your bed.
You have legs. You can go wherever you want to go.
My body is paining me.
Why would I carry her now? Which one is I carrying her to bed?
This is you're doing. I don't like it. I
She
don't like
wants it. Nobody carried her inside here now.
Richard's the wife, but she's pregnant. Say she's weak. Just carry her to the bed. Just carry her now. What is there? Carry her to the bed.
Okay. I'll carry her.
Carry her. Carry her to the bed. I don't understand. What is there? You don't carry her.
I am paralyzed.
Carry her to the bed.
Your love was paralyzed me.
Carry her. You know what? Give me.
Don't worry.
Give me.
What's that? I thought you said give you.
Give me.
Don't worry. It's my own. I'll keep it.
Let me hold it. Carry her.
Keep it as well.
Don't worry. Give me. Carry her. Carry her to the bed. Carry her. What is it? Carry her now.
I'm trying to carry her now.
Carry her like this. Put your hand like this. Carry her.
Mama,
Put her on the
You
bed.
said I should carry her. You didn't say
Carry her like this.
Give me specifics.
Put your hands, carry her.
Okay, carry
Is it too
me.
big that you cannot carry her? Look at how big you are. Richard!
Papi.
Why is she holding me?
Papi.
Papi was leave me alone now.
You paralyzed me.
Could you leave me alone?
I cannot leave you, Papi.
Tell us to leave me alone. What's this now?
You are husband, and how can she leave you? She your husband.
Who's her husband?
You paralyzed me, Papi.
Hey! No! See! One, tell her to stop.
Yeah, come in. The door is opened.
How are you doing, beautiful?
Richard, what do you want? Thought I told you to stay away from me.
Babe, I can't stay away from you. I love you. Like, every single part of me loves you. I love you with all of me. Baby, it's impossible for me to stay away from you. Honestly, we can work on this, babe. That's what I'm saying. Like, ever since you left, I've been racking my brain trying to figure out how I can make this right. And I'm here to make things right, babe. I'm so sorry. Please.
There is a baby involved. I can't deal with that. I'm sorry. You need to leave.
Babe, please. Ever since you left, I've been racking my brain. I'm telling you the truth. Like, I've been trying to figure out how to make this right. And that's why I'm here, babe. Please, like, let's make this work. Please. I'm nothing without you. I can't function without you. And I'm not exaggerating. I'm being honest with you, babe.
Richard, you're making this harder.
Baby, it's already super difficult for me. It's so hard for me, honestly. Like, I can't even eat. I can't sleep. I can't function. I can't work.
Richard, you need to leave.
Babe, please, don't do this. Babe, please. I'm begging you. Don't do this. Babe, you love me. Look at me. You can't even look at me right now. Babe, please, let's work on this. Please. Let's work on us.
Richard, leave.
Babe, I can't leave.
Richard! Leave. Please. Leave.
Babe.
Leave. No. Leave.
I'm even tired of this TV set. When it will Richard take me out? Tired. I'm in one. Ogini, why is your face like this? Eh? What is it? Talk to me.
Mama. Mama, is you not papi? Is you not papi? Every time he's just running away from me like I'm smelling like a beach toilet. As if I'm smelling like Ogi.
No.
Why, Mama?
No, Mba. You're not smelling like Ogi at all. Just calm down. Butsu. Everything will be alright. Oh?
Mama, don't tell me to calm down. Everything say calm down. Just negotiate. Like right now, I went to Papi room just to bless his bed. Immediately he see me, just shoo. As if it's just true. Every time he shoo me, as if I'm smelling. Smelling, the way he's just acting towards me. I don't like it, Mama. Mama, am I smelling like a dead plant?
I know now.
Mama, say
who said that?
Say the
You are
truth.
not. You
Mama,
know I cannot lie
am I
to you.
smelling like a dead plant?
Let me behave like I'm not smelling at all. See, let me tell you, you don't have to worry. You're carrying his child. Yes, and as the mother of his child, he has a responsibility to marry you. He can't escape it. He must marry you. Oh, you know go. Oh,
Mama, what if Papi keep running away from me? What if he refuse? What if he run away from me from the rest of my life?
he cannot run. He cannot escape it. You know what I will do? Listen good. I will make him set a date for the wedding. Yes. If he tries to argue it, lie, he cannot, because tradition is on your side.
No, Mama, goody dachi. Mama, goody. Mama, you get as you they just handle things like this. Everywhere will just be cool. Mama will just be cool. Mama, thank you. Thank you for handling this thing very well.
Yes, now, that's why I'm here. Before Uncle, that's why I'm here now, to protect you. See, as it stands now, you are the only wife, acceptable wife to my son. He must marry you. Tradition is on your side though. He must get, whether he likes it or not, he must marry you because you're carrying my grandchild.
Mama, thank you. Thank you. You are just a very, very good mother-in-law.
And thank you.
I appreciate you, Mama.
You are the best daughter-in-law. That's why I'm here for you, to make sure that everything will go well. But Amaka,
I appreciate you.
Amaka, wait. This word appreciate is not appreciate. He said, Mama, I appreciate you.
Mama,
say it.
Mama, I appreciate you.
Amaka, please.
Please.
Oh. I appreciate you, Mama.
For you, Mama, no be my tongue, na my mother tongue. Mama, let me find.
Come on, niggas, I dey tell you, guy. No miss out. Na sure odd with that put am. I swear, the one I do last 2 days now. I go call you, abeg, because. Who dey? Sure, madam. Tale for you. Come here, oh yeah.
I beg you, take your food. If you finish, just blanket the plate for me. You hear me?
The plate, Abi. I go bling am.
Okay.
I go bling am come for you.
No problem.
Madam. Oh yeah, madam tó sure gan. Madam tó máa ń tọ́jú mi gan. Tó máa ń fún mi ní every. Ṣé gan ni o? Ọmọ sí ilẹ̀ tẹ̀. Má go charge ẹni. Etí kan sáré mi. Please, you have a package. I'm outside your house.
Eh?
So I want more food now.
I am just trying to control my temperament right now. Yes. Because they make me vex.
How?
Which one be say you want more food? You want to chop the entire house? What think they worry you?
Give me small food now. Eh? You know say your food is sweet. And me, I need energy today. You know now.
You need that for waiting.
Energy.
I no go give you fuel. Wait till one make I tell mama. I no go give you fuel till when it's evening time to eat another food. Then I will give you.
Tell mama anything now. Eh? Give me food. Make I show. Abi, now because of mama you want to disturb me.
People they say now because of this black and black way they wear. You know say me and you will not be the same level. If you like say you dey forget say you be gate man, right? You be like say you forget say you be gate man. You be security man. You remember? You remember? We are not on the same level. Not on the same level. So please, I give you food, I no give you food. I give you chop, I no give you chop.
You give me, but you know, koyomi now.
Which one is koyomi? Only kide koyomi. Na the one only Yoruba o. I see Yoruba man they tell me say koyomi. I wanna put you know say I be Igbo girl. Eh? No make me vex for you. No make me vex for you. I give you food. Yeah, appreciate the one where I give you. You come here they say me koyomi. Na the way you lay banana that.
Wait, na me you dey take all this one?
No way they make it. Na the one fan you. The one you be be me get. I say me na say gene. Na mfie ga ka nyon nga na afaja ge ma mara. Ida sere me je mi len kele. Torogbo ukwu ege ebe ahụ. Ihun ko di ezure. Ihun nu gene ekpo. You know they bath, you know they brush your teeth.
Boy, hunger? Eh? I think I don't give you food before.
Yes, but that one no do me. I still be hungry.
Is that what gave you the audacity, the temerity to go to my pot? Eh? Shego, you see, you're leaving this house today.
Eh? Madam, I beg, no sir. I beg, I no chop again. I beg.
Go in there. Gather your things. You're leaving this house now.
Yeah.
I said now.
Madam, I beg now. Madam, I beg.
You're leaving this house now.
Madam, I beg now. Madam.
No get sense. You go carry Madam Tebeli to go airport.
Amaka, come now. Madam, I beg now. I beg. Hey, food.
Madam, I beg now. Madam. I beg, I swear, I beg, no vex. Now devil cause am.
Really? Segun, really? So, you want to blame this one on devil, eh? Right?
I swear, now devil cause am. And hunger. I think we'll make him mad. I beg.
Put you hunger.
I beg.
Put you hunger you dey talk about. I no give you food.
Yes, now. Because I saw you giving him food this afternoon.
Mama, I beg now. You give me food, but that one no do.
Mama,
I no belly full.
This security man now, Oriver Twist, that one no very full.
Okay. No problem.
Maybe Oriver, just
see. That doesn't justify what he did this afternoon. It does not justify what he did. The audacity, the impetus to go to my pot and take food.
I beg. I jọ̀ọ́, mo ń bẹ̀ yín ma. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
Mama, why are you begging for him?
no. I know they beg now underprivileged, Mama. Sakam.
Hey!
Sakam. This security man.
Amaka, you won't know.
Leave this house.
Mama,
Leave this house.
Sakam. Daddy.
What's going on?
You see this food? I caught him stealing food from my pot.
What?
My own pot.
Why would you do that?
Okay.
Why?
I'm very sorry. I don't go do it again. I swear if I do, I'm gonna die.
What's that supposed to mean?
Get out. Be gone. You have overstepped
Hey, you
your
need to
boundaries
leave.
in this house. Get
You
out.
need to leave.
Get out.
I beg.
Hey! I said you need to leave. Carry your bag and get out of here.
Get out.
Get out!
Get out.
Oh yeah, wait. If I go now, I go talk truth to.
Which truth you want talk? Which
I
truth?
go talk truth to.
This security man na arm lover and bad rock for this house.
What
Wetin you want talk?
What truth?
The pikin wey dey for Amaka belle na me get am.
What?
What are you talking about?
No.
Are you serious?
Amaka dey carry my pikin. Asan na whether I dey lie. Asan na.
Wait, what? Are you serious right now?
Asan whether na lie I talk now. Asan whether na lie I lie.
Wait, what are you talking about?
Papi, please. Mama, please.
Are you serious right now?
Papi,
Hey, get off me!
Mama, please. Mama, please. Mama, please.
Madam, what they do for you only you by this time?
Did you know that daddy where they behave anyhow? If you see me, you go they say out. Not to
Behave anyhow, okay? I don't understand how you take the behave.
Not waiting they worry him. You go they be like say in Tino they stand.
Oh man, this kind of thing I know they like. How person go keep fine girl like you? Fine girl we clean like you. You go constantly treat her anyhow. They make her they cry. It don't make sense now. It don't make any sense. It be like person we just use his own koro eye way clear. Carry gold, go throw away am inside dustbin.
I fine.
You don't know. Oh wait, you don't know say you fine. Make I tell you. You too fine. In fact, as you be like this, you dey shine like morning sun. I swear. See, make I tell you. Any man wey no notice you say you fine like this, that man blind. I swear.
I wish Papi could listen like you. No, they listen like you.
Your papi no be reason like me now. You no be reason like you know now. You know say your papi you too tall. And you know all these people wey tall now. You know as they take talk say people wey tall no dey.
You know they get sense.
You see why I say you too fine? You come still get sense? Nah, they talk. I say you too fine. But your papi no fit think like me. If I be your papi, as you dey, I go dey treat you like queen. I go dey make you happy every day, every time, back to back. I go dey give you. You don't understand?
I beg, you get something where you talk say go dey treat me like a queen.
Na queen you be now. I swear.
You sure?
Me. Sure, I sure die. In fact, my name na sure bet. I go dey treat you like queen. I go dey make you happy. I go dey do things for you. They help you. You know, now. Fine madam will be like you. I see fine girl now.
Only problem why guys now stay. If I look person wey say why help me himself in life, come be like say in life need help. Cause you be like say you need help. Everything just confused.
Everybody need that. Everybody need help now. That one I normal, but you know.
Say you treat me like queen.
I should be like you na fine girl now. How person go get fine girl like you? Come be do anyhow. Yeah, I don't like that kind of thing. If I dey near you, they help you, they do things, they arrange things, you know, I'm going to make you happy, you know? You know now. Madam. Fine, madam. Fine, madam. Sweet too. Ah. Me and you for this house tomorrow. Next tomorrow. Next. What happened, man? What happened? Oga die? Why they talk?
I'm pregnant.
Hey, congratulations!
Shout to say congratulations.
But you don't tell them for inside house. Oga don't know.
Now you get the beret. No be Oga.
How?
Which one is how? You do something, you no do something. Say how?
How you could let this kind of thing happen now?
Calm down first, don't worry. I have plans.
Hey God, you have plans. What thing we go do now?
I have plans. I go tell Oga say I go just carry the pregnancy peanut so that Oga go take the responsibility.
Eh? Wait oh. You want carry my pikin, give another man?
I be get another option. You fit take care of me and baby. I say make you calm down, make a man wey get money, make he take care of the responsibility. You dey here they say pikin. You wey never chop bere food. They find baby. Just relax and pretend. Keep your mouth, but she come shum.
No, okay, I know say now. I know fit take care of you and baby, but for future now, I mean say I will get money now. I go marry wife now. I go born children. I go born plenty. I will take care of my wife. I will take care of my plenty children because that's so they do for my village.
You see, light now. Everything where you dey talk, in a parliament say,
Idibe. I know hear that one.
I know say you know here. You dey talk future, but till then, just allow Oga. Make we just pretend. Make we pin am for Oga say na him get him bere. Make Oga take care of me and baby. Michikom, just keep your mouth. Michikom, that is all. Michion noge fium. Case is finish. You hear me? You hear me? You hear me? I say you hear me?
I been for inside this place where they smell like a latrine, like pit toilet. We go say they take care of baby.
I don't hear.
You told me I was the one responsible for that baby. Huh? You told me it happened the night I came back drunk. You lied to me. Why would you lie to me?
Papi, please forgive me. The night when you come back along, we not do anything. You write down like rug of wood. We not do anything. I beg, forgive me. Now the devil handwork, please.
Amaka, don't touch me.
Wait, Kele, where? Where will I start from? Hey! Woo! Kawodo.
Mama, please. Hey. No, God, please. Okay. We not do am now because Papi, you know to notice me. I carry my body, give you wholesale, make you carry am for wholesale. You know glee, and my body was doing me tinini tanana, and that is why I come follow security man say make it
the village girl that's supposed to be innocent that you want me to get married to, huh? She's the innocent girl that's for me, right? Huh? She can't even hold herself.
Papi, please.
When she feels holding herself, she lies, tells lies that could ruin lives to protect herself. What kind of person are you?
Papi, please. It's not plenty times. We just do just 4 times.
Hey!
Not plenty times I do it.
Amaka, 4 times. 1, 2, 3.
See, I'm going into this house. Excuse me, I'm going into this house. And I need both of you to be gone before I come back here. I'm serious. Get out, both of you. Hey, get. I swear to God.
Amaka, you keep me shaking. Amaka, so. Amaka, you keep me. Amaka.
We'll talk now.
It make me say, what's it now? What's it be the core of your problem? No, tell me. Shebi they don't pursue us now because of your long clothes. Now your long clothes put us for this condition now. Please just leave me alone. Since you cannot control Akmiliyogologogi.
You self now, you cause her now. I say make you just add small food. Make you give me small food like this. Say no. If to say you give me that food now, shebi things will still dey normal. They go smooth as they go before. We for they enjoy the things so they enjoy.
That small food go kill you. Now that small food go kill you. Since you don't go fit control your clothes. You don't go fit control your clothes. Shebi now they don't pursue me. They don't pursue me come out for big house. They don't pursue me now. You go fit take care of me and the baby. Because the thing where we do, I can't neglect her now. Amaka, I just disappoint myself. The thing where I know as we do, and because Maka, you have, but in a she can't be. I don't know as I do that thing with you. You go to take care of me of the baby.
If not that one, no worry. Me and you go follow go Ekiti State. My grandmother did there. She will take care of you and the baby. Ekiti State now.
It's Ekiti. Hey, Makachitulu to God. Instead of me to travel go Ekiti, make I go my village, go face disgrace final. Make everybody just there. You cannot shame the shameless. Yes, Katama, I can go Yoruba land. Me follow you go Yoruba land over my dead body. Me go Ana Yoruba. Follow you go Ana Yoruba. God forbid.
You want go your village?
Go my village.
With which person pikin?
Which pikin?
With which person pikin where you carry? You go carry my own pikin go Ilu Igbo.
Obiare you Shegun Obiare Gijati.
You no fit carry my pikin go Igbo.
Only dey go carry wetin?
Ekiti State.
God forbid. I no dey go any Ekiti.
Ekiti State.
Yoruba land.
Na there me and you dey go.
I no dey go. Abeg, make you just read me. Make you read me. I no dey go anywhere. I go my village.
Amaka, Omo Igbo, Amaka. With which person pikin wey you carry inside?
Abeg, no.
Wa gbe ọmọ tèmi.
Over my dead body. No one saying you kill you. Over my dead body, I go follow you. Go
See, make I tell you, make you begin make up your mind because na kitty we dey go. Like father, like son, anywhere I dey, na there my son go there. Because I know say na son you carry o. Now I no follow you again.
I say no follow me again.
You know they go anywhere.
Shegun.
You know they go anywhere.
Shegun.
Madam, you know they go anywhere.
Shegun.
Ekiti State.
Shegun.
Ekiti State.
Shegun Bakachi. EJ na Akpuru Junction. Go and ask Akpuru Junction Leke. Leke Oboduku. Na me they say Akpu. Amaka go and ask. Jejukwu ese. Amaka lele Akpu. Na me they say Akpu. And if I use this play class hormone deal with you now, if you block me again, if you see what I go do you, if you say, I go beat you. Come now.
You know say you carry my pikin, I go beat you. I go beat you.
The way they say
I go give you, I give you one.
No, come now.
No, my father no. When I come home, I go beat. Manuel. See. Hey.
Hope you realize that being from the village doesn't mean you're decent. You know, I mean, there are decent girls in the city as well.
I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I was carried away by her looks of innocence. Chai. People are not what they seem more. That girl and her mother deceived me. But I'm glad. I'm glad that the mess she made is here to carry. I'm sorry. Oh.
I wouldn't have married her. No matter what, I wouldn't have married her, honestly. Nobody or nothing could have made me marry her, honestly. You know, I love who I love, and it's not her. So.
And I think you should bring Shelley home. Let me get to know her.
I'm shocked you remember her name, I gotta be honest with you.
Yes. I remember her name. Shelley.
Shirley won't pick up my calls anymore. She won't see me. Thanks to you and Amaka.
I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Everything I did, I thought was for your own good. I thought that village girls are better and then more decent than girls in the city. I didn't know. I'm sorry.
Mom, decency is not about where you're from. You get me? It's about who you are. Character doesn't have a zip code. It is what it is, you know?
I know better now. See, I think, why not? You can give me her number, call her. I know she loves you and then she will come around.
So, to what do I owe this visit?
Shirley, my daughter, I owe you an apology. I thought I was protecting my son, but all I did was hurt him and you. I believe lies that have no proof. Please, I'm sorry. Okay?
Lies? What lies?
Amaka lied about the pregnancy. Apparently it's not mine. She only said it to come between us. The pregnancy belongs to Shegun. And apparently that night I didn't touch her, I just dozed off.
Yes. He's right. You didn't touch her. I see how you love him and then how much he loves you. It's my daughter. Forgive me. I am so sorry for all I did and said to you. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm sorry. Please.
And I never betrayed you. Not for 1 second. I didn't.
Yes. Yes.
Sorry I doubted you.
Am I still your boo in shining armor?
You're still ridiculous, really.
You're so the love of my life. Two lovely women in my life.
You're welcome, Mama.
Thank you. He has never been himself since you left. I'm glad.
Come on, baby.
Good morning, Ma.
Good morning, my dear. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
Shelly, I'm so sorry for misjudging you. I let my fears and worries cloud my judgment. I thought I was protecting my son, Richard. Yes, but I failed to see the love and care you both share. I should have trusted him from the beginning. I am so sorry, my dear. Please do forgive me.
It's fine, Mommy. I didn't take any of those things to heart. Besides, you've apologized before, so everything is fine.
Thank you so much for forgiving me. You have a good heart. My son is lucky to have you.
Well, she's lucky to have me too. We're lucky to have each other. Let me put it that way, okay?
Alright. You're welcome to the family. You are now part of this family. And I will make sure I will do everything possible to make you feel welcome, okay? Alright. Let me go and fix something special for you, okay?
Okay, I'll just join
Ah,
you.
no. Don't worry. I'll do that myself. I'll do that to family. Welcome you into this family, okay? I've not seen this smile on Richard's face for long. You're welcome once again.
Thank you, Ma.
Family.
Thank you, Mommy. Oh, Mommy's so sweet.
Well, I told you. You know, I mean, you melted her heart just like you melted mine. You know? You have that effect on people.
You're going to make me shy.
Yeah, right. Me make you shy. You're never shy. Since when does that make you shy?
Well, you make me shy and all kind of things, you know.
I make you feel all kinds of things, huh?
Yeah.
What kind of things? Like, do I make you feel like jumping off a bridge or like hugging a transformer?
Excuse you.
Or racing a car with your legs? I don't know. You said, oh, you're not trying to be specific.
I'll tell Mommy that you're insulting her latest baby.
How could I insult you? I would never insult you. Okay? I'm not trying to get you to be specific with your praise of me. You know?
Not the same, baby. I'm so happy.
Well, I'm happy you're happy. I'm happy she's happy.